Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by searching, type the exact error message and relevant tags because duplicates save time. While you search, assemble a minimal reproducible example, trimmed code, concrete inputs, and the single expected outcome. Once done, ensure your account is set up with a clear display name and profile so responders can trust you. Make sure to have enough reputation to comment if necessary. This first step prevents wasted questions and shows you attempted a reasonable solution before asking. Now write the question itself. Start with a concise title that names the language, framework, and key error. In the body, explain the goal, show the minimal reproducible code, provide exact inputs and observed output, and list steps you already tried. Use code formatting and block quotes so readers can scan quickly, and choose up to 5 precise tags to route the right experts. Once done, preview the post and fix clarity issues before submitting to increase chances of a fast, accurate answer. After posting, stay engaged. Check comments for clarification and reply quickly, because rapid interaction gets better answers. If someone solves it, upvote and accept the answer so future readers know the solution. Alternatively, post a self-answer summarizing the fix you discovered. If answers miss the mark, edit your question to add logs or a smaller reproducible case. And if nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip: reduce the problem to the smallest failing example and update the post. Most experts help fastest with minimal, repeatable failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.